Welcome to my channel MSI. This is Selnam Nazis, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower Manchurian. The only thing I like more than eating food is talking about the way it's prepared. So let's begin. To make cauliflower Manchurian, we require 1 large cauliflower cut into small pieces, finely chopped half capsicum, coriander, 2 tablespoons ginger, 2 tablespoons garlic, 1 bunch of spring onion and half onion. We also need corn flour 250 gram, all purpose flour 100 gram, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon pepper powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon soya sauce, 3 tablespoon red chili sauce, 6 tablespoon tomato sauce, 3 tablespoon green chili sauce and 2 eggs. In case if you do not want to use eggs, you can add extra corn flour. To begin with, we need to steam cauliflower. Before that, soak and wash thoroughly with warm and salt water and steam cauliflower for about 3 to 5 minutes and make sure that you do not boil it in order to avoid boiled cauliflower taste. After 3 to 5 minutes, strain water into a clean mixing bowl. Let it cool down slightly. I use same strain water as it enhances the taste. You can use regular water as well. Add steamed cauliflower pieces. Then sprinkle some spices. 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 250 gram corn flour, 100 grams all purpose flour and 2 eggs. Now mix this content well. I would personally recommend you to finish mixing by using your clean bare hands, since the mixture is slightly sticky and it will give you accurate consistency required for frying. And if it becomes runny, then add little bit of more corn flour, and in case if it becomes dry, then add more water. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. In a non-stick frying pan, pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add finely chopped ginger and garlic and saute it until it becomes golden brown. Now add in spring onion and half onion and stir fry it until it becomes soft. Now add in capsicum and saute for a while. Now add about 2 tablespoons of water. Add in red chili sauce, green chili sauce, tomato sauce and soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and mix it well. If you do not like spicy food, you can add only 1 teaspoon chili powder. Now add in 1 tablespoon pepper powder and half teaspoon salt. On a high flame, keep stirring Manchurian gravy continuously. Add in some more water if required. You can add half teaspoon of sugar as it increases taste of any dish and it is optional. Now add in finely chopped spring onion leaves. Keep some for garnishing later on. Add coriander and stir fry it for about 5 minutes. Once Manchurian gravy is ready, cover it with a lid and keep it aside. Now let's deep fry cauliflower. Lastly, add fried cauliflower into Manchurian gravy and make sure that you mix it well. Saute it over a high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. Do try out this recipe at home, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next week with an amazing recipe. Happy cooking!